make me think that you the one I should be with. I feel no pain when I be high and I be fresher than a bitch.
I was thinking I would let you know. I think it's time for me to let it go. Tripping on me by these bougie hoes. And you act as if you do not got the same damn girl.
Hey, what it do is poppin', it's the Cowboy Malik and I'm back with that heat. Y'all boys want another hat tutorial, so I'm about to bring y'all another hat tutorial, bro. And I appreciate everybody who been rocking with the gang, the HBL family. Y'all know we turned up, Hot Boy Living. We got a whole lot of stuff coming to the channel. I'm talking about pranks, vlogs, you know what I'm saying? RLs, we about to get it in, bro. This channel about to be hella lit, so y'all make sure that y'all sub and join the gang, bro. And make sure y'all leave a like on this video and comment and hit me up on my social medias, bro. If you trying to get in touch with me, man, I get back to a lot of y'all. Now, sometimes there be a lot of DMs, so I can't get back to everybody, you know what I'm saying? But the ones I do, you know what I'm saying, I show love, bro. I read every comment. But check this, bro. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to grow your hair, you know what I'm saying? How did I grow my hair? And, you know what I'm saying? How do I maintain freeform dreads? So basically, I'm about to show you how we do it. Now, it's a few products y'all gonna need. You know what I'm saying? This is one product I don't have on hand, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put the product on the side when it's time, and I'm gonna show y'all. And it's real cheap, you know what I'm saying? Everything right here, real cheap, you feel me? But hey, check it. So, as far as greasing, you know what I'm saying, the hair, bro, I just use this regular, you know what I'm saying, corner store, Walmart, you know what I'm saying, hair food, bro. It's really nothing much to it, bro. And this is the product I always use, because me personally, my hair ain't never grow. Like, my hair used to never grow. Like, my hair used to be like, it used to always be at this small point. Like, I used to have long hair when I was a baby. And they say my uncle, you know what I'm saying, who not a barber, my uncle had went and cut my hair. Cause you know how you had them uncles who always be trying to cut hair. That's how mine was. So he had cut my hair, bro. And like ever since then, like my hair never used to grow high. Like my hair never used to grow high. Like I was growing the bob out for a long time, and it was just real small. My little brother, he cut his hair off, and his hair grew tall. Like he got the kid play flat top. So like his hair was at like a taper level and grew way past mine. I was always wondering why my hair wouldn't grow. But this is a product I always used to use. This is a good product though. It's basically soft tea hair food. You know what I'm saying? It's real easy to find, bro. You can find this everywhere. You can use this every day or every other day. I don't use it as often now. You know what I'm saying? I use it every, like here and there. You know what I'm saying? Because my hair already really grown. You feel me? And as y'all know, I always use the mango and lime lock and cream wax because it smells good mainly. That shit smell hella good, dog. But this right here, bro, gonna help you maintain like the dread forms. Now you don't have to use this all the time. You really don't have to use this all the time. Like once you get the and a pick. Now I can't pick my hair, but this is how I lift my like hair and stuff. Like I just take my pick and like I just lift my sides. You know what I'm saying? So I can show my fade more. That's all I use the pick for, and to scratch my hair too for the parts I can't get to. But bro, the product that y'all mainly gonna need, bro, the real product that you gonna need, bro, is this Virgin Hair Fertilizer Cream. Now I'm gonna put it on the side of the screen, either side. I don't know what side I'm gonna put it on, but it's for you can get it on eBay, Amazon. You know what I'm saying? It's like $9 plus tax. So we just gonna say about $12 because I don't know how much the other site's hitting out, but it's about $12, bro. But I'm telling you, this product, bro, made my hair grow thick. It made my hair grow healthy. Now the smell, hey, the smell horrible. I ain't gonna cap. You gonna get used to it. You gonna get used to it, but you're not gonna be tripping on no smell. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know you trying to grow your hair, bro. But hey, telling you, dog. Once I started using that product, my hair started growing. Like my hair was low at first. Like I had the, you know what I'm saying? I had the little dreads, but it was like little twists, and it was small. When I put the African fertilizer, that's what I call it, African fertilizer, but it ain't called that. It's Virgin Hair Fertilizer. But once I started using it, my hair took off. You know what I'm saying? And I ran out and I ain't needed no more because the light patches that I did have, they grew thick. I never had to cut my hair and start over. You know, a lot of people, they get bad damaged hair and they have to cut their hair and they have to start over. But I'm telling you, bro, this product, bro, like I'm gonna have it on side the screen, bro. I'm telling you, that's the key essential you'll need to grow your hair. And another thing, y'all be trying to grow y'all hair. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be trying to grow y'all hair. Y'all be having bobs. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be picking y'all hair. But like you gotta like dig, like you picking your hair, you know what I'm saying? And you picking like dead hair out. Like I feel like picking your hair kind of like shortens. It make you like, you ever notice like you pick your hair, like your hair looks smaller sometimes, but it do, you know what I'm saying, pick it out and make it bigger. But I feel like it be taking out hair. I don't know, it probably just me. You gonna be trying to grow your hair out and like with this freeform style, like me, like I said, I told y'all in the other video, I never got my hair twisted. Like I just went natural from the sponge and just went in, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people feel like they gotta go to the barbershop and get their hair trimmed, you know what I'm saying, and shaped up, and then they do it because they be wanting it all even and this and that. But to be honest, bro, it look better when it's wild. Like to have freeform dreads is gonna be a wild style, so like you really can't have no shaped up hair. Like getting your hair trimmed every time you go to the barbershop, bro, that stuff, that's your hair not gonna grow. You cutting your hair off, you trimming your hair. So y'all gotta stop doing that. I know a lot of people that do that. They'll pick their hair out, go to the barbershop, you know what I'm saying, then sponge up. Nah, bro. And then on top of that, you gotta sponge on a consistent rate. You know what I'm saying? You gotta sponge on a consistent rate. You can't just sponge every time you get a haircut, or you can't just sponge here and there. Like if you really trying to get your hair like this without having to get hair twists or none of that, bro, you gonna have to sponge every day if you trying to get like freeform dreads like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all another. I ain't got no fresh cut right now. I'm semi-fresh, but it ain't fresh. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all another look at the hair. You know what I said? Y'all already know, like I said, I be tying them up and whatever to make it. But bro, like these was the areas. These was the areas where my hair was thinning before I started using that virgin hair fertilizer. You know what I'm saying? And like, you know what I'm saying, once you get to this point, you could just really, you know what I'm saying, you could play with it, you know what I'm saying, you could twist it and all that. And you know what I'm saying, add a little extra twist. I do that from time to time, but I really don't. Like once you get to this point, you don't have to really use the grease all the time, you know what I'm saying? Like if you curling and it ain't really styling how you want it, you know what I'm saying, that's why you use the grease, cause the grease gonna help style it. Like you put that grease, like I feel like it holds, you know what I'm saying, and it's gonna hold your hair in that position. And that's really what the product's for. But as far as the growing, you know what I'm saying, you just gotta, it's gonna take time, you feel me? It took me a long time, but a lot of people have grown faster than mine, cause y'all ain't cut your hair when y'all was little. He probably did, but he probably was a licensed barber or something like that, you know, mine wasn't. He probably messed up my hair roots, I don't know, but not my hair growing, you feel me? But still though, still to this day, I feel like my hair still don't grow out because I've been growing my hair for a little minute, you know what I'm saying, and it still ain't grow out wild. But I like that though, because this the height I want my hair to stay at. Like I really don't want my hair to fall over into dreads, you know what I'm saying. I want my hair at this height. I don't want it to fall over into dreads and all that, because they just say me, I like it like this. A lot of people tend to do that because they be getting it twisted, you know what I'm saying. Getting twist, bro, you gonna get dreads, I'm telling you. I don't know, bro. And it's another stuff it's some other stuff you can do to grow your hair. Like if you want to take the traditional route, you know what I'm saying, people use shampoos and this and that. Me, I don't use any shampoo. I don't have no shampoo to wash my hair, you know what I'm saying. I'm from the hood, real country baby, so I use bar soap, or if they do got some shampoo around or something, I probably shampoo here and there, but it's very, 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 very rare. That shit be getting in my eyes anyway, so I don't really like that shit. I feel like, I don't know, shampoo, that's too strong or something, you feel me? But, telling you, bro, and you know what I'm saying, as far as maintaining it, bro, your hair gonna look crazy. Your hair gonna look crazy. Everybody gotta go through an ugly stage with this. You gonna go through the ugly stages. I went through the ugly stages, and I'm gonna show y'all some pictures. I'm gonna try to add in some pictures, you know what I'm saying, like a before picture and the after picture on, you know what I'm saying, how my hair came about on my route, you feel me? But bro, it's really simple. Like to grow your hair is really nothing, bro. It's just using the grease that's gonna help your hair grow, bro. Like I said, if y'all wanna go pick up that virgin hair fertilizer, y'all make sure y'all do that, because that right there, you know what I'm saying, it stop your hair from thinning, and it's gonna make your hair grow fast. I'm telling you, like, you see my hair. I'm a person who hair don't grow. You know what I'm saying? Y'all hair probably higher than mine right now. It's probably nothing to y'all, but you know what I'm saying? That product right there, bro, that product work, man. And bro, you gotta keep a fresh fade with it. Like y'all can't be having this style, bro, and not having no fresh fade, bro. You gotta make sure y'all go get them fades, man, all the time, bro, so you can stay crispy, bro. And I'm gonna show y'all in another video on how to enhance the hairline. You know what I'm saying? You know how boys be using black spray and all that. How to enhance the hairline and stuff with the nappy bob. You know, that's what we call it. Really, the hot boy fade, freeform dreads, whatever y'all want to call it. But hey, bro, I hope that advice I just gave y'all is helpful and it helps y'all hair grow. You know what I'm saying? Because I know y'all boys trying to get the sauce and do y'all thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to help. I'm here to help, bro. And just hit me up on social media. You know what I'm saying? If you need any more tips or what the next hair tutorial video y'all want me to do, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all a video on how to enhance the hairline and all that, and we're gonna keep piping up. Y'all already know how we rocking. It's the Kid Hot Boy Malik. If y'all new here, subscribe to join the gang. HBL, we the sickest, and y'all already know I'm out. Gang.